Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to talk about a beautiful metallic collection by Madam Glam. So Madam Glam asked me right before I went on my 4-week trip to Asia, which I just came back from, by the way. I'm still a little bit jet lagged, but they asked me if I wanted to try out their metallic collection, which came out I think like 6 weeks or maybe 8 weeks ago already. But this collection is just perfect for the holiday season, actually for any time of year in my opinion, because I love me some shiny metallic-y nails. But I really wanted to share with you all of these colors and also mention that because Madam Glam is having a Black Friday sale, I have a 50% discount code, which I will link in the comment section down below in the description box, but also here on the screen, because from the 19th of November, which is tomorrow, running through the 21st of November, they will have a 50% off because of Black Friday. You know, it's always like going crazy online and in stores because of Black Friday. But because not everyone is a VIP member, if you are a VIP member, you get like a 50% discount off of your products anyways. But if you don't want to sign up for that, you can just use my discount code during the period of the 19th of November running through the 21st of November and get your 50% discount anyways. So that's pretty cool. So if you do want to check out Madam Glam, I will leave the link and the discount code down below, and you can definitely check out their gorgeous polishes. I'm a big fan. It's one of my favorite gel polish brands, as you guys know, and I'm just in love with them. So I am going to swatch all of these. I'm going to use the Soak Off Gel Polish Metallic Base as well as the Metallic Silver Base. And you need both of these to make them completely like full-on metallic gorgeousness. So you want to start off with the regular metallic base. This one is the Soak Off Base. These regularly go for like $24.95, but with the discount code you can get them for like $12.50, which is such a good deal. And after you have cured that, you want to go in with your silver base if you want a full-on metallic effect. So just a little side note, you need the metallic base coat and the metallic silver base for it to be like working out perfectly the way you want to. If you don't use one or the other, it won't work out. You won't get the full metallic like results that you want. So yeah, just keep that in mind. You do need those two products combined with all of the colored metallic gel polishes. So I just swatched for you the metallic silver base on top of the metallic base coat, and it's so beautiful. I really love that silver already. But the first color I'm going to show you is Girl Boss, and I'm just going to swatch these randomly. I just lined them all up and I just started out with this one because this blue, like, oh lordy, this blue is beautiful. So I'm going to apply that on top of the silver metallic or the silver base, I have to say, and just look at that. Oh, I'm in love. I'm really big on pinks and purples, but blues, like, oh, they're so gorgeous, especially for the holiday season. If you're not into like reds and all that jazz, just go for this blue. It is so beautiful. And I've also swatched it on a translucent or clear false nail, because you can also use these without the metallic base and you get a really cool jelly effect. So if you are into like the false nails, acrylic nails, the jelly nails, these are really cool to use as well if you're not really into the metallicness. So these are actually multifunctional. You can use them super metallic-y or as a jelly. But this second color I am swatching right here on top of the silver is called Oh Snap. It is more of like a teal color, a little bit more towards the bluish teal than the green, but nonetheless a gorgeous shade. Oh, by the way, just for the record, I did sped this video up like for 25%, so it's not too sped up, but I just wanted to make it kind of like a quicker and snappy video, so sorry if it's a little bit glitchy sometimes, but I just wanted to go through all of these colors as fast as possible for you, because I know you don't like videos going over like 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, but this color is called Oh Snap. It is gorgeous. I really love it on top of that silver base, but as a jelly color it's pretty cool as well. Then the next one is called Pay Up, which is a really cool name in my opinion, because this is a green color and and we all know that dollar bills are green. Here in the Netherlands, we pay with euros because we're part of Europe. And yeah, our money isn't green. Our money has like a lot of different colors. So I just thought this was really cool. And it reminded me of my time in New York actually 2 years ago. And it really makes me want to go back to America actually. So yeah, this color again, really, really cool. It is really nicely opaque and even in just one coat. Do make sure to not shake the bottles, but roll them in between the palms of your hands to prevent any bubbles, because I did have some bubbles in Pay Up. But the next one is called Tin Green. It is kind of a mixture between a true yellow gold and a green in my opinion. It's not super green. It's kind of like toxic green. Like, I don't know how to explain or describe this color. I just think it's a really dark gold with a little bit of green in there, but it's a really cool color. And also as a jelly, it looks really, really cool in my opinion. Oh, and just for the record, I just applied one layer of these colors on top of the silver base as well as on the clear false nail to give you like a full effect of just one thin layer. But the next color is Crown, and this one really is a full-on gold. It doesn't look that gold in the bottle because it looks really, really jelly in the bottle like all of the other colors, but on top of that silver base, like, ooh, wow, it's like it's just gorgeous. It's like 24 karat gold in my opinion. I don't know, it's just a really beautiful gold, and the name Crown is actually pretty soothing if you ask me. So here it is on the silver metallic as well as the jelly nail. I think this one looks really cool as a jelly nail as well, but the color might be a little bit too summery or springy in my opinion, but of course it's totally up to you. If you want to wear it right now, just go for it. Next one is Starfire. And it looked really, really dark orange, like a burnt orange in the bottle, but just look what it looks like when I apply it on top of the gold. Just gorgeous. It is kind of like a darker, deeper orangey tone, but I really like that because you guys know I'm Dutch. I love my orange. It's just really, really pretty. It isn't like a red yet. If it would have been even more deep, it would have been more leaning towards a red, but as you can see here on the jelly nail, it really is just a little bit of a darker orange, but I really, really like it. And the name again is pretty cool. I really love how unique Madam Glam is with their product names as well. Even though the collection is just called Metallic Collection, their separate color names are pretty cool. Such as this one, which is called Breathing Fire. This one is a beautiful reddish tone, as you can see by the color. I think this one really is perfect for the holiday season. If you are into reds and silvers and just the whole like Santa look, go for this one. It is a beautiful red, and also as a jelly it looks pretty cool in my opinion. Normally I don't use reds that much, but I'm really planning on doing a lot of cool nail art designs this winter as well for my winter nail art week, so stay tuned if you're curious about that. It is a week which I post 7 videos in a row, just regular polishes but also gel polish like looks. So if you want to know more about that, just keep an eye out for my channel. But this next color is called Ruby Red. Again, a beautiful, a little bit more of a deeper red color than the previous color. This is kind of like, how do you explain this? Like just a deeper red, I don't know. It's kind of like a Santa red, but just a little bit more black in there. Or even maybe some people might find this one more Christmas like than the previous one, but yeah, I think it's a beautiful red. And again, even though I don't wear reds that often, I think this is just gorgeous for the holiday season. So yeah, in this collection you get the choice of multiple reds, and it's totally up to you which one you want to use. Maybe you want to combine them, make kind of like a soft ombre or gradient. But this next color is called Hold My Wine. I love the name of this one. It is kind of like a purpley like a dark purple grapey kind of color. I feel like it would look beautiful combined with the crown color, the gold one. I think that would be gorgeous, but it's really stunning on its own as well, even just without the silver base. Like a jelly, it is a gorgeous color, and here you can see it is completely like opaque, leveled out in just one layer, and I really love that. Of course, always make sure to cure each layer in between and cap them in with a no wipe top coat. I actually just used the no wipe one because I really love that one. I don't like the hassle of cleaning off the nails from that sticky layer afterwards, but if you are just a regular top coat kind of girl, you can use that as well. The next one is definitely one of my favorite colors. This one is called Iron Woman, and it's a beautiful purple. I know that there are a ton of you out there who are my dear subscribers who really love purple colors. Then this one is right up your alley. It's just screaming your name. It is so beautiful on top of that silver base. I could highly recommend just getting this one, and just look how beautiful it looks as a jelly as well. I really love this one. And by the way, the color I'm using, or that I'm wearing on my right hand, you have seen that already in a previous gel polish of the week video, but it's also by Madam Glam and it's called The Only One. The next color is called Day Off. It's kind of like a purpley pink fuchsia kind of tone in my opinion. Sometimes I find it quite hard describing colors because I might see this as a fuchsia, but maybe someone else sees it more like a pink, more like a purple. I don't know. I just think it's a bright pink with some purple in there. A fuchsia, in my opinion. But just look at that. It is so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of some orchids I used to have, which had a kind of similar color. But Day Off really is a beauty, and it definitely is a color you can wear all year round. Then the next one is called Pink Machine, and this one definitely is a cute, like, Barbie pink. Really girly, really pretty. Looks kind of strange in the bottle, but you will see once I've applied it on top of the silver, it turns into a gorgeous, like, hot pink color. Very cute, very girly. Definitely one I will wear a lot because you know me, I love my pinks. If I can choose any color to wear for the rest of my life, it will definitely be a pink, and this one really is a beauty. Also as a jelly, I highly recommend it. I just really love the fact that you can use these gel polishes in 2 different ways. That's so cool. The next color is called Pink Pearls. This is kind of like a really light, like a baby pink kind of color in my opinion. Really soft compared to the previous color, and it definitely gives more of like a pearlescent kind of like result compared to the previous pink tone. Sorry, it was a little bit out of focus here. Sometimes I get too like excited just swatching and I don't pay enough attention to my camera and whether I'm in focus or not, but here you can see the end result. It really gives a lovely like pink flushed pearl effect, and as a jelly, ooh, hold my horses, this is a beaut. I really love this one. I think a lot of girls and guys out there will like this color if you're into the lighter pink shades. It doesn't look that much like the color of the label, but in the caps you can always see like a little preview swatch of what the colors really look like. And here is a little overview of all of the colors and their jelly forms as well. I have to say thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending these out to me. Again, if you're not a VIP member yet, you can definitely get some use out of my 50% discount code. It is valid site-wide on a minimum of 3 products, but I'm sure you will easily get 3 items in your cart. Like, there are so many gorgeous colors, and you can use it on lamps, gels, cuticle oils, anything you like or prefer. So my discount code is femketjeBF, and it gives you a 50% discount from the 19th of November throughout the 21st for Black Friday. So definitely use it. You can click on the link down below. I provided for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked my swatch and review video. Let me know which is your favorite color. And once again, I love you and I hope to see you in my next video.